See, for this life, na choice. So, what do you choose for yourself? Now ain't gonna work for you. This woman get the same thing where all these women where they do hook up get. She get them brekete. She, if you enter road, they go call them. They go do them. But she not agree do them. She start to do vulcanizer, and she did do them. Very neat. And somebody can say, why they go do them? Yes, it's a mechanize. We get light for our place. That's the truth. We don't get light because the government no one give light. The same government they give Togo and Benin Republic light. They get light 24 hours. No light to go off. They owe them. They no one pay for the light. But the Nigerian people will get the light. No forget them. What a country. But brother, don't look government when go give you peace. Develop and build peace around you. Find something where you go feed do to make yourself happy, to find food for yourself. Don't wait for the government. I hope you hear them.